I'm about to show you guys how to refresh a second day blowout in a matter of a couple seconds using Raise the Root by Color Wow. We are looking flat and it is not cute. So the secret is you guys can spray this on your hair dry. So literally just one on bottom, one on top, and we're gonna hit this with the blow dryer. Okay, volume. And that is how you instantly refresh day 2 hair. Can we talk about how much this is lifting off my head right now? This volume is insane. So if you guys aren't using Raise the Root on dry hair, y'all are missing out on this insane volume that you can get in a matter of a couple sprays and a couple seconds.